guys, welcome to ICO Investor. In today's video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about Randos by Yubo app. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so always do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Randos. You can access it by going to randos.yubo.live. Randos by Yubo is essentially a collection of 10,000 NFTs who are just trying to fit in on the Ethereum blockchain. Randos are weird and awkward, but in the most cutest way possible. When you buy a Rando, you get amazing perks like the ability to use your NFT on Yubo. You get invites to exclusive live with the VIP, and also you get a chance to win sweet Randos merchandise. So don't miss out, mint your Rando now and join the fam. Yubo is a social place with over 60 million users worldwide. In 2021, Yubo generated 25 million euros in revenue, and since 2015, it has raised 60 million euros in funding. If you are somebody out there who likes streaming with new people, listening to DJ sets, or discussing current events, then you should download Yubo. And all of these are the Randos over here. They are completely random. So as we can see, we have Miss Babylicious, rarity is normal, and the caption is, I really love the media. So basically, Yubo is this really nice and a safe place where anybody can hang out, feel safe, belong, and stay connected with the community. Yubo consists of two communities. So there is one for young people who are aged from 13 to 17, and an adult community who are aged 18 and over. Randos, however, will only be promoted to people who are 18 plus. So Randos by Yubo is a collection of 10,000 NFTs who are just trying to fit in the Ethereum blockchain. So there will be total of 10,000 Randos by the inaugural collection. All the NFTs will be based on Ethereum blockchain. The cost of each NFT is 0.1 ETH, and it will be linked to your MetaMask account. So you're gonna link your MetaMask account to Yubo to import Rando to Yubo. There will be 5% royalty fees for selling Randos on NFT marketplace, and the royalties will be reinvested by Yubo towards even more amazing stuff. So conducting giveaways, dropping the merchandise, and also providing really cool features to the owners of Randos. There will be 1,000 whitelist spots which will be open on March 23rd through giveaways on Discord. So in 2021, Yubo created an internal economy with the Yubo currency and rewarded socialization creators with the pixel feature. So pixels are digital collectibles within Yubo that are pixel arts. Based on the success of the pixel feature and to continue the roadmap for rewarding the most engaged user, Yubo is right now introducing Yubo's exclusive first NFT collection. The cool thing about this NFT collection is that it has real world utility. So you can use your NFT on Yubo as a profile picture with the NFT checkmark or as a unique pixel, and you can also have it like an avatar in future. Once you do that, you receive invites to exclusive lives with VIPs, and you get a chance to win exclusive merchandise as well. These NFTs are like unique pixel that will allow the owners of the NFT to have exclusive benefits and content on Yubo, like people you meet on Yubo Randos, and basically are a little random, I would say. The perks that you have is that you can use your NFT on Yubo. So use your NFT as your Yubo profile picture, and you get exclusive rights to send your NFT as a pixel on Yubo. You can let the world know that you are a random fam member. You also get to attend VIP meet and greets. So as a member of the fam, you will be invited to exclusive events with celebrities, and you get to win limited edition merchandise such as hats, hoodies, t-shirts, durags, and much more. When it comes to the roadmap of the company, in the March of 2022, the focus was on joining the Discord community to win free NFT and to get an insider info about the first drop of Randos. Then the first collection of Randos will be dropped, and in the spring of 2022, the focus will be on connecting your NFT to Yubo and use it as your profile picture. There will be merchandise drop, and essentially you have a chance to win shirts, hat, hoodies, take part in the giveaways. In the summer of 2022, you're going to convert your NFT to a pixel and send it to your friends on Yubo, and you can join private lives for random fam members only and get to know the other NFT collectors out there. And the team of Yubo is essentially a group of designers, developers, and other collaborators who are passionate about NFT and building the safest and most fun online space for people to make connections and stream live. The elusive pixel art known online as band fan like this one, was also responsible for the style and the accessories that make these randos completely unique. The cool thing is that you would never know which rando you're buying, so the reveal will happen for everybody at the same time, which is 48 hours after you have purchased a rando, so it will be completely random and exciting. And you can also sell your rando out there in other NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, and Yubo will get 5% royalty fee if the rando is resold, and eventually that 5% will be reused by the company to provide the owners of the NFT giveaways, merchandise, and exciting stuff. Will Yubo users have access to pre-sale? So there are a lot of ways to secure a spot on the whitelist. So they'll give spots away during the events, fan art contest, Twitter contest, invite contest, and even just for being an active member on the Discord server. So you can check them out on the Discord server as well and stay connected with them, get more updates about what's happening in the community. Also, you can check out their Instagram app, which is where Yubo posts a lot of exciting stuff, which is really cool if you want to be a part of the community, having a following of 119.3k followers, which is quite generous. So overall, Yubo looks quite promising, and the fact that they are launching NFT which has this random element to it adds a lot more exciting feature to it and makes it a bit more unique than the other NFT projects out there. So if you're out there who is looking to participate in this NFT project and want to learn a bit more about it, please check the link in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this overview very helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.